Hi Mahal, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too, thank you. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Mehal Singh. I have a 5-year experience in a QA as a manual tester. I worked with different type of domains like healthcare, travel, e-commerce, etc. And I worked with like web application and mobile applications with different type of like Native and the
Hmm.
hybrid application. So like I have the knowledge about the functional type of the testing type, different type of testing type like integration, system testing, UAT, smoke, sanity, and UI UX testing, etc. And also I worked with like non-functional testing type, and I have knowledge about the agile methodologies. We have like different type of agile part like sprint planning meeting and daily stand-up calls and retrospective meeting also. And I've used multiple defect tracking tool like Jira, Mantis, and Monday board. So and
Hmm.
I've worked as like a test case creation and execution. So that is my expertise in QA side. So that's all. And I've also worked with the API testing with the Postman and Swagger tool. So
Hmm.
yeah,
Okay, you're using Postman as a tool?
yeah, Postman.
Okay, great. Fine. Uh, so you have Postman set up in your machine right now?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, great. Let's say I have this one API. Let me share my screen.
Okay,
Okay, so this is one of my API, which is JSON placeholder dot typecode.com. Are you able to see my screen?
yes,
Hmm?
yes, yes.
So, so this is my API, and when I'm hitting at this endpoint, I'm getting this response. Okay, so can you try to test this API using the Postman? I'm sharing this endpoint in the chat box with you. You need to test whether the user ID, whether the ID you're getting one or not in the Postman.
Okay,
Hmm? Can you share your screen?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, you have any doubt in the question?
Yeah, like you were saying the Postman method API, right? And
I have sent you the URI along with the endpoint. So now what you have to do is you have to verify whether you are getting ID as one in the response or not.
okay,
Hmm? Can you share your screen now?
yeah, sure. The sign in is no here.
Sorry, what you're telling?
So I'm some it's opening like
Can you please put the mic besides your mouth?
okay
Yeah, yeah.
now.
What you're telling? What you were
The
telling?
login is not not like I have not signed in the Postman tool.
That's fine. Even if you're not signed in, you can still work on that. You can sign in with Google as well, right?
Okay.
You can skip this and you can go to the Postman desktop app as well. That is also there.
Here?
Postman desktop app would be there. Have you set up that desktop application of Postman?
No, like I have installed the Postman application.
Okay, can you sign in with the Google? Or if you have any username, password, any account created in Postman.
Just give me a second. I'm signing with the Google. Great. Mhm. Okay. You have share the API with me?
Yeah, in the chat box I've shared with you.
Okay, just give me. And where is the body part? Body
Sorry,
part? Body body part?
your voice is not audible. Can you please come again?
I'm saying where is the body part? Body content.
No, so this you don't need to send in the post request.
Okay.
Yeah, this will be your get.
Okay. Get.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So you have the endpoint, right? What you
Yes.
need to
Yes.
do, you need
Right.
to select the get and you need to observe the response. You're getting the response, right?
Yeah.
How will you validate this? So how would you validate this in Postman?
Okay. Like
I'll
Postman,
guide
like
you. Wait, I'll guide you for that. See, whenever you get such kind of an API in the interview, you need to open the Postman and you need to identify the method. So it was get method. Now, these are the test cases that you can add. These are the tests that you can add, right? What kind of test you can add? You can verify the content type header, right? How you can verify that? So you can write like this pm.test content type is application slash JSON, right? So you
okay.
can
Okay.
expect response headers to get this content type application JSON. Similarly, you
Okay.
can validate specific field values. If user ID is what I was telling you. So you can keep this pm.expect response.user ID dot two dot equal of one,
One.
right?
Okay.
You can validate title is not empty. So what you can do, you can keep pm.expect response.title to be not empty. You can also print the response in
Okay.
console for debugging. So these are all the tests that you can add. right? In the Postman
So
itself.
the okay, so these are the like uh, assertions, right?
Yeah, yeah, you can add all these things. Whenever you get this question in an interview that you have to verify this, cover that thing in the answer. Apart from that, add one or two more checkpoints, more assertions, so that the interviewer would be happy to know that you know all these concepts and you are able to um, test the things, test the API in Postman. Because you told in your introduction, right, that you are using Postman,
Yes, yes,
right? Okay,
yes,
great. Is it clear now?
yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Right? Yeah, let's move to the next question now. Uh, okay, let's say there are some requests that are getting failed in Postman. So how would you debug them?
Another requester failed. Okay, so like we need to check API's part, like will be work or not, like properly with the like body part, because sometime we are sending the like invalid data in the body, so
Hmm.
that should be correct as per the API's perspective. So that is the main reason, because sometimes we are sending the invalid or negative type of data. So
Hmm.
that's the like servers does not like recognize like what is the exact data to get by the user. Maybe this is the answer from my end.
Okay. Okay. Which are the different types of variables that you are using in Postman?
Variables like we have global
Hmm.
variables and local, two type of.
Okay. What is the difference between them?
Okay, for the like local variable, when we access the local variable
Hmm.
within the like APIs, okay, like or we can say that we have different type of environment, like some of the QA and some of the demo and prod. So if we like declare a local variable in a different environment, that should not work in the like another one. If we like declare a global variable, so we can access over there, and yeah, we can use other an environment type like QA, staging, and etc.
Hmm.
As
Okay.
per my the knowledge.
Fine. Fine.
Am I
Okay.
right?
Right. Right. This is fine. How do
Okay.
you pass data from one request to another in Postman?
How to
How do you pass data from one request to another in the Postman?
another in the Postman? Okay, so we have like a workspace. Okay, like we have workspace A and B
Hmm.
and so on. So if we pass the like AP data to one to another, so like that is the way to like share the like AP data to another APIs. Maybe I'm not
Any other ways there?
mm, not any idea. Hello, not
Right.
any
Let
idea.
me let me help you out here.
Okay,
Uh, see, let me share my screen. See, you are aware about the test tab in the Postman, right?
test
So
tabs.
over there, yeah, test tab. So over there, what we can do is we can use pm.environment.set or we can use pm.global.set. These are the two functions that you can use.
Okay,
Now, for example, you have got this pm.environment.set user ID, comma pm.response.json.id. So here, In the next request, you can directly use user ID.
Okay.
Okay. So that's how you will have the communication on between the two different requests.
Different request. Okay. Got it.
Right? Great.
Fine.
Okay. How do you validate API responses in Postman?
So we have different type of responses in the API. Like we
Mm,
have uh, uh, 2xx and 3xx and 4xx and 5xx. So
mm,
basically, 2xx is like 200, 201. 200 is like success, and 201 is created. While we have any uh, resource created on this server side through the post request method. So that is like a 201, and when we get any uh, retrieve the data from the method from the server side, so that is 200, and some of type like 40 400 401 402 404 is like the node found, and 401 is like authorized type, and 403 is also forbidden, and 5xx is series like we can say that like server related HTTP responses.
Can you write that code?
Code.
Yeah, can you write that code? How will you validate API responses in Postman?
Yeah, we can.
Mm,
I can write like we
mm-hmm.
add like in the test tab, like you
Yeah,
are saying, some ups to validate, like we are
yeah.
getting like a get request method,
Mm,
and it is 200. Okay, fine. We
mm.
know that is a 200 is a success, but
Correct.
how can I validate? So in the post method we have like pre yeah, we can say that like test tab. In the test tab, so we can like add some of the function types, adding like pm dot request, and that is a way to validate, or we have using some of the snippets, so that is a way to validate, like we have some of the status code. Okay, let me share my screen.
Yeah, yeah. Can you share your screen? Can you write that code?
Yeah, sure,
How
sure.
do you write it? Yeah,
Is my screen sharing
yeah.
visible? Okay, so we have like option is like snippet. Okay, so that is like status code is 200. So
Mm,
when I click on this, so this is the function type like pm dot text, status
mm,
code is 200, and the function type calling. So that is a way to validate this 200. Okay,
mm,
status code. So that is the way to like we can call this, and when I click on send button, and here we can check the test result. The pass status code is 200. Uh, is I'm correct?
correct, correct.
Okay.
Right. I was also about to show you the code. Let me show you the code. Right. So you have pm.test status code if you want to check if the status code is 200 or not. So you can check like this pm.response.to.have.status of 200.
200.
Similarly, if you want to check if the response contains some username, for example, your name,
Okay.
yeah, so you'll just enter your name here and you'll have this response assertion. pm.expect of pm.response.json.name.to dot equal to,
Name. Okay.
right? So that's how you will have. Great. Um, okay. How do you run the collection of APIs together?
Okay. It is option is like runner is option in the Postman tool. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, just a second. So we have like option uh, runner. Okay. Runner
Hmm.
is a like tab where we can run a collection with the different iterations type. So we have different type of options: run manually and scheduled run and
Hmm.
automate run via CLI. So we have different option, and we have like iteration fields, delay time, like how many iteration we need to run, one, two, three, four, so on. So
Hmm.
that is a way, and select any file if we have file, and adding the file, and also like click on start button. So that is a way to like run a collection in the like different type of iterations.
Okay.
Is it correct?
Correct. How can you perform data-driven testing in Postman?
Data driven testing.
Hmm.
Okay. As per my knowledge, so like we need to perform different type of data, like positive and the negative type of data. We need
Hmm.
to enter in the like APIs of like post and put and patch also. So
Hmm.
that is a way to test the driven the testing. Sometimes we need to perform different type of the test cases type like positive way and the negative and edge cases type. And sometimes we need to validate the APIs with empty data and fill the data by any valid input, and some of the input like invalid. Okay, like name, like the name field is like a first name, but we need like enter any numeric data. So that is the invalid data type, and the API response is not good. Uh, I mean, not good is sense like 401 or 403. So that is the error we faced. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Let me tell you. See, here, when you're getting this kind of question in an interview, you have to explain about collection runner, right? Now you can use collection runner with the external data files. It can be CSV or it can be JSON,
Yeah, okay. Okay.
right? So you can put all your data in one of the CSV file and you can run your scripts with respect to the test data that you have. You have username, you have list of username and password, for example, list of
Okay.
credentials, set of credentials you have, which you want to test for the login functionality. So that
Okay.
you can pass in the request as username and password itself. First iteration, this will be getting passed. Second iteration, this will be getting passed as a data,
Okay.
right? So that's how you can use collection runner with the data files,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Got it.
Yeah, great. Okay. What is the difference between test and pre-request scripts in Postman?
Test and pre-request. Okay. Test the tab will where we can like add any tests like assertion type and how to validate the responses of the APIs, and how to validate the APIs. Okay, so that is a test tab, but in the pre rec- uh, request script, so we have like already declare or created the some of the methods type, like how to validate directly status code or local variable, variable types and etc. So that is like that difference between a pre request script and test apps. Yeah,
The pre-request scripts, as the name itself suggests, what it will do, it will run before your request,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Maybe you want to use them for setting up some of the timestamps or some of the tokens like that. Whereas tests are actually your validation that will run
Yeah.
after the response,
Okay,
right? So those are used for validating the status code. Or you have any other assertions. So at that time also you can go for test,
okay, okay.
right? Have you used Postman with CI/CD pipelines? Have you integrated your Postman test with CI/CD pipelines?
No, not yet, not yet.
Okay, okay. If this question is asked you in an interview, you can tell by using Newman command.
Newman. Okay, okay, yeah. I've used like a very like the limited time. I mean,
Okay, no problem. So if you're
not
asked
any
about,
use
uh,
any like
yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
okay. Uh, I'm saying like I'm not like I've not used a new man for any like testing purpose, but I have the knowledge about that part of new man.
Okay, okay. So can you tell me the command for that?
Uh, it is like a similar type like those type like where we can like validate. Like I'm not like any proper no
I'll tell you the command for it. Right.
the
See, this is the
knowledge.
command which you can use to run the collection using Newman, right? So you can trigger your API test using CI/CD pipelines as well,
Okay.
right? Yeah. Okay, Mahal, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
The question is where I'm like
Yeah.
stand with the
See, what
while
you can do is
keeping this.
you can work on the CI/CD integration with the Postman. You have Postman tool configured, so you can work on that. In an interview, they'll give you such kind of questions that you have to test this API. So open the Postman tool and start testing it. Add some of the assertions, add some of the tests based on your knowledge, right?
Okay.
Those things you can do. And apart from that, the questions which we discussed, let me tell you the feedback.